okay. RSSI good. So I think everything is okay. Need to check the ground control station. I think everything is okay. Let me see first the orientation. Does it move?
Yeah,
does it move?
it's
Right,
moving.
the compass is moving. Okay, we're ready. Oh wait, I'm gonna arm it. Okay, did you say armed?
Where you will see?
It should say armed. It's already armed. Wait, it's slow. Kind of slow. Wait, I'll arm it. Okay, you move some distance. I don't know. Oops, wait. Okay, everything's okay. Altitude hold, engaging. Oops. No, I need to adjust. It's going down. So I need to adjust the altitude, hold. Going for position, hold. Still going down. Okay, it's going down, but it's holding its position. Seems okay. The problem is the altitude. Going back to stabilized mode. So far basic flight is okay. I'll do range testing. See how far. I forgot I didn't yet enable geofencing, so I have to be careful. Okay, the yaw is good. Everything's okay. Okay, I'm bringing it back. I'm bringing it back now. Initial testing is complete. We have a successful maiden. Come to me, little baby. Okay, landing. Disarming. That's it. We're done.
Yeah. Very good.